Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in your content so the PDF reflects the finished document. Once done, go to File and choose Save As or Export, then pick PDF as the format. Make sure to select the correct page range and whether to include comments or track changes. This affects the final output. Also choose Quality, Standard for print, Minimum for email. These first steps prevent rework and ensure the PDF preserves layout, fonts, and pagination as intended. Next, handle the detailed options that control fidelity and usability. For consistent display, embed fonts and adjust image compression. Choose PDF/ if archiving long-term. Click options to include bookmarks, create a table of contents mapping, or add accessibility tags for screen readers. If confidentiality matters, set a password or restrict editing and printing. Alternatively, apply a digital signature to prove authenticity. These choices affect file size, accessibility, and finish by opening the PDF in a reader and checking layout, hyperlinks, bookmarks, and fonts. If something looks off, try exporting again with different options. For example, disable compressed images or enable font embedding, or use the print to PDF feature as an alternate path. Make sure accessibility tags and metadata carried over. Lastly, retain the original Word file, use a clear file name, and test the PDF on another device. This catches platform-specific display problems before sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.